Now question is a mild steel wire of length, so it is 1 meter of length, and cross section area is given, is stretched well within its elastic limit horizontally between two pillars, right? So see here, a mass of 100 gram, so mass 100 gram is suspended from the midpoint of the wire, right? That is 0.1 kilogram. Calculate the depression at the midpoint, right? So see here and here, this is angle theta, this will be also angle theta, right? Tension created on that string. So if this is A, B, and this is C, and this is D, midpoint, so it starts from, right here, that change in length delta L upon L, that formula is here, it is see AC plus BC minus AB, AC, right? So AC and BC both are same, so 2 into one particular value, so it starts from AD square plus DC square, right? So AD square plus DC square, right, and under root, so that is our AC plus BC, and then minus AB. AB, it is given 1 meter, so we can write here 1 meter, right? So 2 into AD square. Now AD, it is 0.5 square, and DC, right? So that is the distance, so it is L square, 1 by 2 minus 1. Now here delta L upon L, see L square is higher, that's why we can neglect the other terms, but if 0.5 common, so 2 into 0.5, then here 1 plus L square upon 0.5 square, right, raised to 1 by 2 minus 1. So all higher term will be neglected, so we are left with only delta L upon L is equal to L square upon 0.5. So delta L upon L will be L square upon 0.5, right? So delta L upon L is equal to L square upon 0.5. That is our delta L upon L. Now see earlier that mg is equal to 2t cos theta, because both tension created will be downward direction, right? So here formula will be T is equal to mg upon 2 cos theta. Now cos theta, that is nothing but under root of that value, right, which is see cos theta there, it is bracket AB upon again AC, that value, right? So here answer will be mg upon 4L, right? So tension will be mg upon 4L. We have delta L upon L, tension we have. Now we can write Young modulus formula, that is force upon area upon delta L upon L, right? Force is nothing but mg upon 4L into A upon delta L upon L is L square upon 0.5. So mg into 1 by 2 upon 4 L cube into A, right? So mg into 0.5 upon 4 into L cube into A. So and left hand side is y, right? So mg into 0.5 upon 4 L cube is nothing but it is one type of V, volume, into area. So calculate the depression at the midpoint, right? So here we need to find that depression, so that is our actually L cube. So L cube we need to find, right? So L cube subject, L cube is equal to mg into 0.5 upon 4y into A, right? So L subject, cube root of mg into 0.5 upon y into A. By putting all the values, we have all the values, so we will get our answer. So this is nothing but a cube root, right? So we will get our depression at the midpoint.